The Stalo Strategic Agreement is an agreement that forms a relationship, a government-to-government relationship between 16 Stalo First Nations who are members of the agreement and British Columbia. And the foundation for the agreement is to form a foundation, a process, a structure to deal with engagement and consultation over decisions of land use and development permitting.
The Stalo Strategic Engagement Agreement started with a pilot back in 2012. It originally focused on a few acts. Over time, it's extended to include 14 different acts that range from forestry to land and water authorizations, a wide variety of different acts that are now covered. Also, the number of First Nations who are participating in the agreement has grown over time.
At this stage in British Columbia, perhaps the highest concentration of developments that ministries would refer to First Nations for their consideration. We're at the stage now where there are in excess of 400 referrals each and every year. So we need a place that houses expertise and that there's a table to which both the province of British Columbia and the First Nations here in the Valley can go to, where there needs to be consultation, where there needs to be collaboration, cooperation.
So the agreement has impacted how we work with First Nations in several ways, but one particular example that stands out is a project that we were doing, and we collaboratively dealt with it with the Timber Supply Review. And so we sat down with the First Nation groups and we worked out a process to actually look and assess cultural values and what the potential impact would be towards the timber supply impact that could occur in the Fraser timber supply area. And that was a phenomenal project, very successful, and it worked out really well.
As a member of Atchilitz First Nations and a chief of my community, it's important for me to attend the SIA meetings to represent the Chukwayak tribe that's made up of 7 communities. And I feel that as a member of Chukwayak tribe that my voice is being heard.
This relationship that we've built with the government of British Columbia, that is around the consultation table, it will continue on into the future, so that we have to continue with this relationship, refine it and work it as best we can for all parties concerned, First Nations and the government of British Columbia.